Welcome students. Today I take a new topic of vernier caliper. Already you learned about fundamental quantities. One of the fundamental quantities of length. What is the unit of length? Meter. What is the symbol of unit? M. In our daily life we use meter scale for measuring length. Then smallest length which can be measured by meter scale. In vernier caliper, to take on accurate reading by an opposite sides on object. What is the use of one vernier caliper? Is to take on accurate reading. In modern vernier caliper was invented by Pierre Vernier in the year of 1631. Who is inventor? Pierre Vernier in the year of 1631. Next we will move to aim of vernier caliper. In the vernier caliper is to determine the volume of given cylinder and sphere by measuring length and diameter. To measure the volume of given cylinder and sphere by measuring length and diameter value. Next we will move to construction. This is the vernier caliper. In this vernier caliper they have two scale. One is main scale and another one is vernier scale. This is the main scale. It consists of thin long steel scale. It is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. That is known as main scale value. This is the vernier scale reading. In the vernier caliper they have two jaws. One is upper jaws and another one is lower jaws. Then upper jaws is to measure the inner diameter of an object and the lower jaws is to measure the outer diameter of an object. And then third one is, this is the probe. It is used to measure the thickness of an object. The vernier scale is marked on slider. This is a slider. It moves along with the movable jaws and then slider. Then upper jaws and the lower jaws is to left end of them are fixed perpendicular to the bar. That is known as fixed jaws. That is known as fixed jaws. Next we will move to least count. The least count, the main scale division will be measured in centimeter. Is further divided into millimeter of the vernier scale division. The value of smallest one main scale division is divided into total number of vernier scale division. So least count is equal to 1 millimeter by 10 is equal to 0.01 millimeter, that is known as 0.01 centimeter. Next we will move to zero error. Then unscrew the slider and move to the left side. Both the jaws touch each other. Both the jaws touch each other. Observe the reading. If the zero of the vernier, if they coincide, then there is no zero error. If they do not coincide with each other, the instrument is said to be zero error. So zero error may be two types. One is positive zero error and another one is negative zero error. In the positive zero error, the vernier scale is shifted to the right of the zero of the main scale. So the positive zero error is equal to fifth line is coincide. So positive zero error is equal to plus 5 into least count. What is the least count value? 0.01 centimeter. Therefore, plus 5 into 0.01 centimeter. So, positive 0 error is equal to plus 0.05 centimeter. That is, 0 correction is equal to minus of 0.05 centimeter. Next, we will move to negative 0 error. If the negative 0 error, the vernier scale is shifted to the left of the 0 of the main scale. Left of the 0 of the main scale. So, fourth line is coinciding. So, to find the negative 0 error is calculating to minus 4 and then least count value of 0.01 centimeter. So, negative 0 error is equal to minus 4 into 0.01 centimeter. That is known as minus of 0.04 centimeter. This is known as negative 0 error of the vernier scale. In this, 0 correction is equal to plus 0.04 centimeter. I do one activity to find the outer diameter of one coin. In the outer diameter of the value is the main scale reading is equal to 2 centimeter. So, the vernier coincidence is equal to 4. In the vernier caliper, the negative 0 error is given. So, the negative 0 error is equal to 0.02 centimeter. So, correct reading is equal to 2 centimeter plus 4 into 0.01 plus 0.02 centimeter. This is known as negative 0 error of the value. So, main scale division plus least count value plus negative 0 error value is equal to 2 centimeter plus 0.04 plus 0.02, that is known as is equal to 2.0.06 centimeter. In the coin of the outer diameter value is equal to 2.06 centimeter. Thank you for listening, students.